Hello everyone. Come, I'm enjoining everyone to please celebrate with us. The National Young Adult Fellowship Sunday comes February 16. Hello friends. This is our time to gather, to listen, and share our joys together as young adults of the United Methodist Church to celebrate the National Young Adult Fellowship Sunday with the theme Steadfast in Faith, Hope, and Love in Following Jesus' Steps. Matatag sa pananampalataya, pag-asa, at pag-ibig sa pagsunod sa yapak ni Jesus. Sa kabila ng mga hamon at pagsubok sa buhay, tinatawag tayong mananatiling matatag, nakaugat sa pananampalataya o faith, pinalalakas ng pag-asa o hope, at pinangungunahan ng pag-ibig, love. Pananampalataya na nagtitiwala sa mga pangako ng Diyos. Pag-asa na nagbibigay lakas sa atin upang magpapatuloy. At pag-ibig na nagtutulak sa atin upang maglingkod sa iba na may kagalakan. Jesus Himself walked this path, showing us what it means to be steadfast. He had shown His resolve, was unwavering in faith, unshaken in hope, and limitless in love. Are you ready for it? As young adults, we are called to walk in His steps, not just on Sundays, but every day in our workplaces, schools, communities, and churches. So let's come together to worship, grow, and serve as one body in Christ. Let's encourage one another to remain steadfast, to hold on to our faith, and to live out the love of Jesus in our daily lives. Join us this Sunday as we celebrate this exciting Sunday of Maya and commit ourselves once again to following Jesus boldly and faithfully in Jesus' steps. God bless us all.